The Human Life Cycle, a non-fiction text by Miss Smith. Here, the life always begins with birth, and life ends at death. From birth, we have infant, child, teenager, moving on into adulthood of young man, middle-aged man, and an old man. Vocabulary words: born, birth, become, die, death, funeral, baby, infant, newborn, child, teenager, adult, young, old, middle-aged, old age, childhood, adulthood, young adult, young man, young woman, middle-aged man, middle-aged woman. Table of Contents. The Human Life Cycle. Birth, page 1. Childhood, page 2. Teenager, page 3. Young adulthood, page 4. Middle age, page 5. Old age, page 6. Death, page 7. Again, the cycle of life beginning with birth and ending with death. Infant, child, teenager, young man, middle-aged man, old man. First, you are born. This is a newborn baby. This baby is an infant. Then you become a child. This is a child. The child is playing. After that, you become a teenager. Teenagers are 13 to 19 years old. Then you become a young adult. Young men are 20 to 36 years old. Young women are 20 to 36 years old. After that, you become a middle-aged adult. Middle-aged men are 36 to 55 years old. Middle-aged women are 36 to 55 years old. At last, you become old. This is an old man. This is an old woman. Finally, you die. The end of life is called death. When people die, we have a funeral. The end. Or is it? What do you think? The human life cycle. Birth, death, birth. The first group is infancy. That includes a newborn and a baby. That's infancy. Childhood, toddler, child, and a teenager. Toddler, child, teenager. Adulthood, young adult, middle-aged adult, and an old-aged adult. This is adulthood. Childhood is here, and infancy is right here. Once again, infancy is right here. Childhood are these two pictures right there. Adulthood, these three, young, middle-aged, and old. Comprehension questions. Draw a picture of each stage of the human life cycle.